Are you adding water methanol to your application but just don't have the space for our standard 2-gallon tank and Snow Performance water methanol pump? Or maybe you want to simplify installation while keeping everything compact? Then do we have the tank for you. Introducing Snow Performance's 2-gallon tank with a built-in pump mount. This high-strength composite 2-gallon tank will make the installation of your Snow Performance system that much easier. These tanks come with an aircraft-style cap that's simple to use but provides an excellent seal. Included with this tank are the tank mounting straps, 2 90-degree AN fittings to install in your pump, 1 3/8 to 4 AN outlet fitting, 6 inches of 4 AN line, bolts to mount your Snow Performance pump to the tank, and a self-sealing low-level sensor. If you're looking to cut down the real estate needed to install a water methanol system, this is exactly what you need. For more information, you can give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1 or visit us at www.snowperformance.net. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.